Hey, it's Dr. Hannah and Shelby with this week's Hot Topic Thursday. So today I'm going to talk to you about something that will help increase the curve in your neck to an appropriate curve rather than having too much of a curve, not enough of a curve, or a straight neck. So the tool that we have is called a posture pump. This is not the only type that you can get. There are several out there on the market. This is my favorite one. This is one that I use at home. So how this works is your head, you're going to be doing this on a flat surface, a hard flat surface, so like the floor. Don't do it on your bed or anything cushiony because again that can kind of mess with some of the mechanics on it. This part goes on top of your forehead, so kind of right in there. We just pull it tight. That way it can't move on you. This part right here goes really tight onto your shoulders, so you're getting the whole curve. And then this part is the part that does all the work. So this little bulb, thank you ma'am. So this little bulb fills with air. So that's how you can control it and you let the air go. That's what's going to help shape that curve. So most of us, because we're in a technology site or a technology world, we're down on our phones a lot, we're on our iPads, on computers where your head is constantly flexed forward like that, which can cause an anterior head carriage. Again, we've talked about this in several, I want to say 3 videos, right? Yeah. So we've talked about it before, where it's super important to make sure that your ear, your shoulder, your hips, and the outside of your ankle all line up in a straight line. That's really good posture. So again, you want to make sure that everything's back forward. So this tool will help that. But how it works again is the air goes in here and it's all based off of your comfort level. So you don't want to do too much or too little. It's again just based off your comfort. And then this extra, the air that's inside of it is going to help shape that nice little C curve. So we have C curves in our neck. That's what you want. You don't want a different curve. So that's what it's going to do is you put on that extra air, and then that again, it kind of works like a retainer where you keep doing this after a while. It's going to feel really good. It's going to help decrease a lot of neck pain, help with headaches, can make the headaches go away. If you have a disc bulge, this is really good to prevent for disc bulge. If you have numbness and tingling down the arms, I mean, anything that you can think of that would relate to neck pain or neck problems, this is really good as far as a therapy preventative is concerned. Now this piece down here, this is the part that will help get rid of like what's called a dowager's hump, which most people associate this with like really osteoporotic old ladies, or where you see a bunch of elderly people. We're talking like old people, but they're kind of walked forward a little bit like this, and they have that bump on the base of their neck. Nobody wants that, so that is going to help get rid of that or decrease it a little bit, because basically it's degeneration and osteophytes and arthritis that has caused that little bump in there. So we have again, this is the one that I recommend. We can hook you up with one of these if that's something that you want to do. Again, there's a lot of different products out there. This one's probably my favorite. Again, I use it at home. So that's just a little tool that you can do when people are like, hey, what do I do to make sure this neck pain doesn't come back, to make sure that I don't have arthritis, that I don't get migraines. This is a really good tool to use at home. You don't have to use it here. You can take it home, and it works really well. So that is all we have for this week. Any other thoughts or anything you have?
Well, tomorrow we are starting, Jersey Fridays. So if you have a jersey that you want to wear to your appointment on Fridays, be sure to wear it, and your name will be entered in for a prize.
Yeah. Well, if you wear the right jersey, we won't give you heck. But if you wear the wrong one, be ready for some friendly banter. Alrighty, that's it for this week's Hot Topic Thursday. We'll see you guys next week.